everyone. Hello, my darling people. My darling people, I say the sad news when I be here today, the thing be don't shocktalize me like seriously, like the thing, it be don't shocktalize me. When I hear my darling people, I say, hey, you know this guy with the art film, this Dumelo, we tall. He tall where you know. You know John Dumelo, where that Ghana guy, where they even they come Nigeria, come the art too, you know. So when I see somebody on YouTube today, I can't see say they put coffee near and say Dumelo dog me. I say, are you kidding me? When I first see him, I say, what did this boy do now when he can't me like this? The thing can't shocktalize me, my people. If I turn and say this thing today, don't wake me, I delight to myself. Like the way that girl will be big YouTuber, the way that girl take me that time too. This one, I shocktalized 10 times. I say, what? God, may this thing not be true. I can't see the woman. I dey watch the woman YouTube. I dey see what she dey talk am. Say, is she there aware everything? Say this guy don't pay me. I say, Dumelo don't pay me. Yeah. I say, God, though, what it can dey happen? You know? So, I can say I must make sure say I find that. I must make sure say I go Ghana make I find that. If not truth, say Dumelo don't really pay me. So that I call they try make I find that. So they say you go join a politics. So as you go join politics, then you know say those politicians. I beg my people. You know say you be art or you the art. I beg. Just focus on that your film where you the art. I beg. More not go they put on hand for all those politics things again, because these politics things, so many things they happen. So many problems they happen. I beg. Okay, see, what will be done here now? Say happen to you now. Say you don't pay me. They say this our brother can't go join politics. So they can't they warn am. Bro, move your hand for this thing where you want to put your hand. So you get what you can't go right. You can't post them. They can't say So you know the year word. We go pay me you. We go pay me you. You know you can't see the do. So, as I can see the way they do, say this thing, the party way they join, it go win. And the way into they go about the thing, they come they warn them. Say they go, you know, say you get family. You don't go hide your head. People come they advise them. Now you can't disappear. Now people come they say don't pay me. YouTuber don't they carry ammo. I see ammo. All those our bloggers so I beg. Mona say they even those who are the blog. I beg, Mona see they at least they try Mona find that if something really happen. So now you carry coffee near person we be say never pay me. You go just like seriously. When I come see say the guy finally come out, come talk say he never pay me say he no go do anything politics again say he don't remove his hand for politics matter he say he never pay me. But people don't they put RIP for them. Like seriously. I beg. No one see they use sense for this one YouTube one they do now. I wanna go just they put life of people head like that. When I just see the truth today, I shocktalize my people. I say I must make sure say I find that I'm not gonna give people wrong information Thank God though. See this guy, is he there alive? He never pay me. He can't talk. He say never remember in their life or when they see and say people they put a RIP for a picture. Because they don't see him. He say so in there because of what they tell and say he making hide the head. Maybe they don't go remember. So maybe they don't they threaten him now he come quick run before. You understand? Not be saying don't remember. He don't talk. He say never remember. He never remember. This one way. Una don dey carry coffee, the near person wey say they are alive. Una dey put RIP for them, they do everything. He never he see they are alive, my people. My people, I say the thing, he shocktalized me. for what some of our all those our YouTubers they do, the thing they surprise me really. Because of view one and they look for now, just the purpose in it like that. When I just can't lie, say the person don't me. One of the try more find that if not truth or not. Thank God though. My people, if I see the way I fear when I see him, I say, hey, this guy don't see go like that. Say, God, why? Now I say the boy now, the guy now say, in their life, oh, he never be me, oh. Since they are alive for my people, he never be me, oh. Wow, I don't feel happy. I can't say, yeah, my people, oh. Not like people life for your head, oh. That's where they are alive. They don't the poor who happy for. Yeah, my people. I said the thing, it shocked me. So I want to give advice to all those politics, all those politicians. Beg. More than they put in a hand for all those things again. I beg. They don't be saying when they talk, say politics not good or that you understand, but at least more than they use sense. More than they put in a hand, I beg, because those people where they do all those politics, they put their hand for different things. You don't know what they put whatever they put for eye. So maybe you don't go they imitate them. Say you want to go to join politics. Just if they do your own things, they go beg. They do your own things, See the way they wanted to put life for this guy now say you don't be me. Whereas never be me, you see they are alive. Now wow for wire road. Now wow really. For person where they are alive, they put a IP for them. Now wow. So politics matter, nonsense. Now they do one. Nonsense. So if not, you go enter one chance. Like the way they say they be threatening Dumelo. I say for years say tomorrow now say Doc Beme. Yeah. See Abbat brother now don't come out say the way when they want to do during election. Now so he go gather his friends, they carry gun, they follow everywhere they go. Now because Abba promised them say Obaseki go give them money. Now 1 naira now they don't see. The boy call his brother, he cry out say make Abba to bring the money. Say they must give him your own share. Now they say the matter. So politics matter, not easy. I beg my brother Dumelo, Sofri, just remove your hand. Remove your leg. You get pikin, you get wife. Sofri just run. How about get luck that time say they no cash am. They no cash your wife, say they kidnap them because of the way they do go about them that time. So now luck he get. So I beg you, will never happen to me. Use your head, use your HQ, use your account. I beg. We not go enter one chance. So thank God, say this our brother is see there alive in never me and be the happiness way day. I say my content, my beautiful people. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady Joe, my darling people. If you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you could hear many Ogbonge news where they come out for you. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. Hi guys,
good morning. Happy Sunday to you. I just want to share something with you this morning. It's from Isaiah chapter 43, verse 2. I was reading it and I just thought I would share it. It says, when you pass through the waters, I will be there with you. Through the rivers, they shall not overwhelm you. When you walk through fire, you shall not be burned, and the flame shall not consume you. So basically what this verse is saying is that whatever it is you're going through, nothing will touch you. It's just a phase that you're going through. And so don't worry at all. God is with you. God is going to be there for you. He will forever be there for you. And don't worry about the things that you're going through, because all these trials and tribulations and storms will pass. And when it passes, will come a brighter day. And so I wish you all a happy Sunday. God bless you all and keep up the faith in the Lord. Take care.